See, you're with her, not with me. I hope she's sweet and so pretty. I hear she curves delightfully. A little angel beside you. See, you're with her, not with me. Oh, how lucky one man can be. I hear your house is smiling clean. Oh, how lovely with your homecoming queen. Oh, how lovely it must be when you see her sweet smile, baby. Don't think of me when she lands in your warm arms. Don't think of me. So you're with her, not with me. I know she spreads sweet honey. In fact, your best friend, I heard he's there last night with her. Now, how do you feel? How do you feel when you see her sweet smile, baby? Don't think of me when she lays in your warm arms. Don't think of me, and it's too late, and it's too bad. Don't think of me, and it's too late, and it's too bad. Don't think of me. Does it bother you now, all the mess I made? Does it bother you now, the clothes you told me not to wear? Does it bother you now, all the angry games we played? Does it bother you now?